Good morning, students. This is your chapter 5, that is acids, bases and salts. In our previous video, we have discussed about the basic information about the acids, from where in which food items we can get the different type of acids, and acids are classified into two types, that is organic acids that are natural acids which we get from the different type of fruits, and the second one is the organic acid. This is made by humans, or we can get it from the earth's minerals. Okay, after that, these mineral acids are also of two types, that is dilute acid and concentrated acid. Dilute acid is, we have to add in this, the quantity of acid is less as and water is more, but in concentrated it is purely acids are present or some little amount of water is added in that. Now in today's video we will discuss about the different type of bases. Okay, we have already know about that the taste of acids is sour. It is naturally generally sour means खट्टा. जितने भी एसिड्स होते हैं उनका टेस्ट जो होता है वो खट्टा होता है, बट बेसिस दे आर नॉट sour in taste, they are bitter in taste. Okay, for example, if you have baking soda at your home, taste this baking soda, you will have the taste, it is so it do not have sour taste, it has a bitter means kadwa taste. If we rub a solution of baking soda between our fingers, आप थोड़ा सा बेकिंग सोडा लीजिए, rub it within your fingers, how will you feel? You feel it a soapy or slippery to touch. आप उसको टच करेंगे तो जैसे आप साबुन को टच करते हो उस टाइप में आपको स्लिपरी लगेगा या आपको सोपी टाइप लगेगा. सो द substances that are bitter in taste and have a soapy touch are called bases. ठीक है, this is the exact definition of bases. Some common base are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and magnesium hydroxide. Okay, these are the common bases which we are using in our day to day life. Here this table is given, here name of the bases and from which source you are getting it. Calcium hydroxide you are getting from lime water, ammonium hydroxide window cleaner, floor cleaner and wood polish, it is used in this. Okay, sodium hydroxide from soap and potassium hydroxide from soap, magnesium hydroxide, these are antacid, cosmetics, toothpaste, ointments. Okay, these are different these are the some name of bases and their sources. Students, some neutral substances are also present. The substances that are neither acidic nor basic. Okay, जो ना तो acidic होते हैं और ना ही basic होते हैं, these type of substances are called neutral substances. Okay, so pure water or distilled water, glucose, urea, sugar, salt are some examples of neutral substances. Okay, न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंसेस वो होते हैं जिनका ना तो कोई उनका एसिडिक होता है नेचर, ना ही उनका बेसिक होता है. ओके, द कॉमन एग्जांपल्स ऑफ न्यूट्रल सब्सटेंसेस आर ग्लूकोज, वाटर, यूरिया, शुगर, salt, etc. Okay, some indicators are also present. Okay, we have to learn about the indicators also. Some indicators we can meet at home also with the different food items. One by one we will discuss about that. We know that acids are sour while bases are bitter to taste, but we cannot taste all substances to find whether they are acidic or basic in nature. Okay, I have already explained you कि we can't taste the mineral acids because they are very strong, and due to strongness of these acids it can harm or it can burn our skin. So you can't taste all the acids. Bases you can. Okay, So acids, some organic acids you can taste, but mineral acids, they are stronger than organic acids. Okay, so it is a because some substances may be harmful to us. Now the question arises, how do we find the nature of substance without tasting? To find the nature of substance we use indicators. Okay, जब हम सभी एसिड्स को टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते एंड हमें वी हैव टू नो द नेचर ऑफ द सब्सटेंस, हमें पता होना चाहिए कि उस सब्सटेंस का नेचर कैसे है, तो उसके लिए फॉर दैट वी हैव टू यूज़ इंडिकेटर्स एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ इंडिकेटर्स वी कैन फाइंड आउट whether the substance is acidic or basic in nature. So the basic definition of indicators is, indicators are special substances that give different colors in acidic and basic medium. Okay, so how do substances work when indicators are added to a solution containing an acidic or basic substances? They change their color. Okay, जैसे ही आप इन इंडिकेटर्स को किसी भी सब्सटेंस में डालते हो, इफ़ इट शोज़ द चेंज इन कलर, अगर कलर में चेंज होगा देन इट विल शो यू द एसिडिक नेचर और बेसिक नेचर. So turmeric, litmus, China rose petals and red cabbage juice are some naturally occurring indicators. Phenolphthalein and methyl orange are some examples of human made indicators. टर्मरिक जो हल्दी हमारे घर में होती है, लिटमस, चाइना रोज पेटल्स एंड रेड कैबेज, दीज आर जनरली यूज फॉर indicators as they are naturally occurring indicators. But man-made indicators are phenolphthalein, methyl orange, and these are man-made indicators. So about the this indicators, how we have to prepare it and how we can taste the nature of substance, that we will discuss in our next class. I hope you understand about the basic information of basis. Different type of indicators we will discuss in our next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.